Bird and Kip, Episode 10, Going to the Beach.
Bird, I'm going to the beach,
Said Kip.
Wanna come with me? Of course.
Said Bird.
I love the beach. I can't wait to get there.
Said Bird.
I'm going to play in the water. I'm not going to play.
Said Kip.
I have work to do. You have work to do?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said Kip.
I'm going to build a boat. You're going to build a boat?
Asked Bird.
Are you going sailing? No.
Said Kip.
We are going sailing. On the ocean?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said Kip.
On the ocean. We're going to have an adventure. I'm not so sure about this.
Said Bird.
Do you know how to build a boat?
Asked Bird.
I think so.
Said Kip.
How hard could it be?